We recently sailed on MSC Seascape and we were lucky enough to be in Yacht Club. If you don't know, MSC offers a ship within a ship concept that provides secluded areas and a more luxury overall experience. Sailing in Yacht Club completely changed the way we look at cruising, so we're here to share that experience with you. As soon as you get to the terminal, there's a big blue tent that says MSC Yacht Club waiting for you. Upon entering, staff greets you and escorts you directly through check-in. After scanning your passport and going all the way through check-in, you will receive your Yacht Club band, and a butler will escort you to the waiting area. As soon as we sat down, we were immediately served champagne and small breakfast bites. Before we could even finish our champagne, they called us to board. They immediately escorted us to our muster station and then to the top sail lounge where we were served yet another drink. We waited here for about 30 minutes before our stateroom was ready for us. A butler then came over to us, took our bags, and escorted us right to our interior Yacht Club stateroom. We stayed in cabin number 16019 for our 2-day sailing out of Port of Miami. This interior stateroom is 182 square foot compared to the regular interior staterooms, which are 150 square foot. Entering our room, you do immediately notice the size difference. The desk area has lots of shelving, an in-suite coffee maker, and a minibar stocked full of sodas, juices, teas, and more for your convenience. Being in Yacht Club, all of these were completely complimentary. Turning to the other side, you have a seating area for 2 and a full-size mirror. All the beds in Yacht Club have upgraded linens with the signature Yacht Club logo. On both sides of the bed, you have a light, a switch for the main lights, and a small nightstand with storage. Back by the door, in the closet, you have a safe, multiple shelves, 2 drawers, and a large area to hang up any clothes you need. This bathroom in our interior stateroom is standard size with upgraded towels and toiletries only available to Yacht Club. Also, on the inside of the door are your Yacht Club branded robes for you to enjoy while on board. Just outside the bathroom is the temperature control switch, the bathroom light switch, the main switch, and where you need to insert your cruise card. One thing we really enjoyed about Yacht Club was the fact that every night they put our slippers by the bed, brought us a late night snack, and even put water on our nightstands. Another perk of Yacht Club is that you do have an included bottle of alcohol that you can take home. Yacht Club spans multiple levels. Starting on deck 16, you have the entrance and the concierge desk. Going all the way forward on deck 16 is the top sail lounge. Here you can find tons of seating, a bar, and even a small section for snacks throughout the day and into the night. This lounge also has an outdoor area for you to enjoy. Moving up to deck 18, since 17 is considered unlucky, you have the Yacht Club restaurant. This restaurant offers an intimate dining setting with a live pianist. Our first night dining here, we ordered beef carpaccio, filet, veal ossobuco, and lasagna. Deck 19 is the Top 19 exclusive solarium available to Araya and Yacht Club guests only. Here, you'll find 4 hot tubs, the Top 19 bar, and all the lounge space you could ever imagine. On deck 20 is the Yacht Club pool, Sundeck, bar, and grill. The Sundeck that goes all the way around this deck has more than enough lounge chairs for everyone. Here you can also find 2 hot tubs in each of the corners and a Yacht Club only pool. The Yacht Club Bar and Grill offers drinks all day long, and during certain times of the day, they also offer a small section where you can grab a bite to eat. When you're getting off on Ocean Cay, you are escorted by a butler right to the Yacht Club waiting area and handed a glass of water. After a short wait, you're picked up in a golf cart and you can go anywhere on the island you'd like. Of course, our first stop in Ocean Cay was to the Ocean House restaurant to get some lunch. The food options here were really broad and also incredibly delicious. We ended up ordering shrimp and conch fritters, grouper tacos, and blackened mahi-mahi. Sailing in Yacht Club has so many perks. The main ones your reservation comes with are the premium beverage package, high-speed internet, and access to the thermal spa. On top of those, you get treated like royalty from all the staff in every Yacht Club area. Another perk we really enjoyed was that your Yacht Club band gave you priority on every elevator. We genuinely enjoyed our experience in the MSC Yacht Club on board Seascape and can't wait to be back. Have you ever sailed in Yacht Club? Let us know down in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. We've also linked all of our travel must-haves down in the description.